Hi everybody, good evening. I'm doing this one, TryHackMe room 404. He booked a quiet room. It's not a floor plan, not in the brochure, not in any door, but port 88 is wide open and the rooms is never listed. The ones we find it. Now, this one, it tell you start your machine. I already start both the machine, so that's fine. Room 404, 30 point. Concierge Briefing, he booked quiet room. They tell us 8080 port is open. There is a welcome to the Byte Lotus where the Wi-Fi is open. The app is free. And the concierge already know your coffee order, you spend these first days, all of that. And so the Byte Lotus guest experience platform went live in a hurry, and night shift up developer shipped more than a website. So this is tell because it is a modern website. It's more about Git because developer use Git directory. So they give us the IP and it tells us dump the source code, find the flag. We have the IP. Already have it, so that's the IP. Usually when you do this, try quickly check view page source in case there's anything interesting, but there is no anything interested in this thing. So basically now we need to make it easy to everybody because this one is a room. This I will share this one so everybody can see exactly how we solve it. We solve it in two ways. First of all, when you do go buster, this is the IP, you have the word list. You can use this one, is good for these things to pick up. We can just quick hits, for example. We can test this one, for example. So you can make shorter video. I'll share this one link in the comments so everybody can. Now it's a freezing. Okay, so go basta we're doing W share, we're doing this quick with list. It's good this one for this type of rooms. So if I okay, now we can see is finding so we're dealing with git repos. So if I do that, so we now we have a git. Hold on, before they shut down the machine, we have what's going on here. Where is my So we have the git and you can see we have this repo there. So you can see you click on it because we click that. Don't get confused in 404. This one you like that, you put head and you access to them like that and you can download them, but this one they are not file to read, so just be careful. This is a git repo, for example. Interesting one is the objects one. So if you do one, for example, if you work with Git, so you can stand and you can see this. This is where the file interesting and info exclude all of that. But for us, these files are not easy to read. So because we know we're dealing with Git, now how can we solve this Git story? You can see Git ls file. This one open. Following would be good set. So this one doesn't have information. We try exclude. Let's go to the next one. Pack, for example, this one it's like empty. If there's no one there, p5 does what's not hold on, object, you don't do them like that. They are git. What's going on? Object, for example, a5, you can see, but this one you need to get. I'm just showing you no a5. You see, you need to know how to deal with Git. So now we download this one. You can see, so we knew the problem now because we're dealing with Git. So Git, it's different ways. So let's play with it in different ways. So one way to solve this problem, we can do easy way and smarter ways. Simple way, use wget, download the whole things. So we can do this, for example, let's within this is the, for example, let's open this one. This one is quicker one, wget mouse recursive, no I don't need the index for that's the explanation for it. The recursively download of file and subheader no parent index html reject the auto-generated HTML index file that the web server create for a DAG to view. I don't need that one. So if I download this one like that, it download all of them. So if I do ls, you can see it downloaded in the name of the file, so cd10. So you go 10 ls, you can see we got all no, what's that command, git, where is git, no, there is a missing file, git, so we can read them, because remember, ls minus la, we got now all the file are here. You can see is our git, I don't know why I don't have git check, why this computer doesn't have it. I was working in my computer now, no, I forgot, check, um, check out the dash point. I was working in my computer here, sorry, check out, why it doesn't have a check, like in my computer. Check out git, no, git checkout. Guys, sorry, I'm confused. Get shot. So if I do that, ls, and we got our file there. So I was working on it here. So I download all the file through VPN. So you can do git checkout dash point, and of course now we got the file. And if you do vim app.js, you can see this is the source code for they told us. So if I do index.html, this is the file, we got that. But for us, the most interesting one, this is the file. But now if I do cat readme, for example, I got our flag. Now we got that one, so let's go a different way to solve it. So let's solve it now in different way, because these different tools when you do a git repo. So for example here, like I said, I used git check like I did in this one. Now what we do, we can use a tool. There is a tool if you want to do a called git dumper. So if I do a virtual environment, for example in Python, this one create easy for us to do virtual environment in room, and we create that one. And of course now Python will create a virtual environment for us. So if I do that, so if I go source room binary activate, and now we are done. So all what you need to install the git dumper. Let's see if this one doesn't messed up with us, because TryHackMe sometimes attackbox has problematic on it. He tried to download all this stuff, he did install it. So, and of course the next step, for example, you just need them put whatever the same what we do in Byte Lotus source code. And if I do this and I do that, and we can do that, it will create a folder. Now it's finished. And if we look, for example, inside, where is it, room for room cd byte lotus. So if I go there, we find the same things we have up here. So we have two things. So we did the same way. We can find the same file as we did with this one. So this one we've been able to get directly we got the file, or you can use the tool of git dump. So it also gives you the file, and of course got readme, and you got your file. So we got it in both ways. So you have two options. You can just do the easier one, just pull the whole things in wget. It will put, so you don't need to install anything, because wget is installed in Linux. The next way is good to have this one. This one, if you do more cts, install it. Git dump will get you the whole code. And of course this one is for activate the directory. I think that's it, guys. This is the one my computer did it now. Yes, I think that's it. Thank you everybody and have a good